Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Trust Wallet key. First, open the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Your key is actually a 12-word recovery phrase, which acts as the master key to all your digital assets. It is crucial to be in a private and secure location before you proceed with these steps, as this information is highly sensitive and should never be exposed to others. To find your recovery phrase, begin by navigating to the Settings menu inside your Trust Wallet application. From there, tap on Wallets to see a list of all your active wallets. Next, select the specific wallet whose key you need to check. You will then tap on the small information icon, or sometimes 3 dots, located right next to the wallet's name. After selecting your wallet, choose the option that says Show Secret Phrase or Show Recovery Phrase. For security, you will be prompted to authenticate using your device's security measures, such as a PIN or biometric scan. It is very important to carefully read and understand all the security warnings that appear. Once authenticated, your unique 12-word recovery phrase will be clearly displayed on your screen. Once you have viewed your recovery phrase, it is absolutely critical to secure it properly. Write down the entire 12-word phrase on a piece of paper and store it offline. Never keep it digitally. Consider making 2 or 3 copies and storing them in different, extremely secure physical locations. Remember, this phrase is your ultimate access, so never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone, not even Trust Wallet support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.